North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union kalau ong bakampat penlong satiai ke jeng sange lani ke strike 1.0 penyang petrol sa Meghalaya Henry kalong ke balingok Kumno ke Shithi ke bala Phah sa Tnad Food and Civil Supplies joka sarkar Meghalaya pat kalaj Paidbah. Kani ke jing penpau na kaliang kinong ilam ke union kala long hadian ke jing alang ke bak khot ban penlong da Tnad Food and Civil Supplies ha ke jing ilam uprovin bakshi ubodai commissioner but secretary ha ke no phai sngi jonga arp khnai tarik nai weng arjar pulai hanong po kumban sukudo baka union kala Phah jing tho so menteri kani ka Tnad uba coming on ambon ban pen sngo ha u ya ka jing sha let don bor kinong nya tangkar kit umpnyang haki pulet ka jela Meghalaya ka union kala bu badai ban weng ye jing e haswa ka arp khandai tarik nai weng arja arplai lem kumta kiramwan bu umpnyang su sa Meghalaya nakaliang ka union katbau Roman Das u general secretary kala ong bakan let song jing alang hagwati ban perkhat ye sen jam ban shim ringkat ka jing tu ye ki Paidbah baram don ka jing ir yo du umpnyang
आज सुबह हम लोग का बहुत सुंदर एनवायरनमेंट में मीटिंग हुआ थैंक्स टू द सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट स्पेशली मिस्टर प्रवीण बख्शी इनका इनिशिएटिव में ये मीटिंग हुआ आज स्ट्राइक हम लोग अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया ये मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो रहा है यस बिकॉज दिस लेटर वाज सेंट टू द सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट बट हाउ इट इज़ लीक्ड आई डोंट नो सो हम लोग अभी जा रहा है माइनट्स लेके हमारा हेडक्वार्टर में गुवाहाटी उधर जाके सबसे बात करके पॉजिटिव मैसेज आप लोग का पास आने वाला है हम बोल के जा रहे हैं और पैनिक करने का ज़रूरत नहीं आप लोग का माने माल खाली करने का अंडरग्राउंड में जगह नहीं है इतना माल हम लोग लोड करा के रखा था क्योंकि 2 दिन आगे हम चिट्ठी दिया था ऑल द डीलर्स इधर डीलर्स से हम लोग पर्सनली फ़ोन करके बोला था आप माल डबल स्टॉक कर लीजिए इन द मीन टाइम हमारा बख्शी साहब का मैसेज हमको मिल गया तो इनका मैसेज मिलना मतलब ये लेके 4 टाइम्स मीटिंग हुआ हम लोगों का ये इशू नहीं है वेराइटीज़ इशू लेके और इशू सक्सेस हुआ था इसलिए ये इशू नहीं है आज का और ये ऑटोमेटिकली चलेगा गैस भी अवेलेबल है 16 LPG गैस ट्रक आर कमिंग विदिन 10 मिनट्स टू योर शिलोंग अभी सुबह रेडी करके आया हम क्योंकि यूनियन का बारे में जानता है यूनियन मीन्स यूनिटी जब ये लोग सुना हम लोग तेल चला जा रहा है स्ट्राइक में गैस वाला बैठ गया उधर ये भी हम लोग का मेंबर है तो समझा के हम लोग सब करके आया थैंक यू वेरी मच आप लोग ये मैसेज दीजिए क्योंकि हम लोग आ रहे हैं आप लोग का स्टेट में सर्विस देने के लिए हम लोग ये आशा रखेगा आप लोग से गुड बिहेवियर गुड कोऑपरेशन और हम लोग भी जितना तक सके फुल सर्विस देने के लिए तैयार
u commissioner bar secretary ka Tnad uprovin bakshi uloong bahaga jing alang lai kran bun ki mat na ka banta ka jing mentoi Paidbah bat kum ju ru ya ki nong nya tangkar umpnyang uloong ru bak sarkar ka kentu ya ka union bakam dai ban sange henrai ban ya tre rengkat da ka baweng ya ki jing e.
As all of you know, there was a strike call which has been given from the side of North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union. So on this, to break the deadlock, to find a way out, we had called for this meeting. They said that they would like to meet us in Longpo and therefore we have all come here. So the meeting was very fruitful. In the course of the meeting, many issues were raised with regards to the welfare of the Mazdoor Union and all the drivers, handymen. There were issues with regards to the IUCL, BPCL also on how they can give maybe better packages to them to support them and from the side of the state government we anyway support that the basic minimum wages and EPF all those rights which are statutory rights should be given to the Mazdoor Union. And in the context of what has happened, there have been allegations of pilferage and all, because of which police action has followed. So we strongly feel that there should not be any kind of irregularity because oil tankers have to move smoothly, and if there is any pilferage, then it is not good. And having said that, from the side of the police, they have taken action and steps have been taken. So while they're taking action also, we have gently raised with them that they should try to make sure from their side that nobody is put to any kind of inconvenience who are innocent or who may just be doing their duty. So that also they have said they will take care. We don't have anything as such to say about the police action which is going on because it's an ongoing investigation. And since it is a crime branch case, they will try to find out what is going on. So our principal appeal to our friends from the union and also all the other stakeholders is that the strike call in itself gives ground for people to feel insecure, and it causes a grievance. People rush. There is a lot of panic buying of POL products, huge lines in front of the petrol pump, which puts the public to inconvenience. So we only raise this issue with them that while there are points which we will be able to solve among ourselves, let there not be any inconvenience to the public. And therefore, we have given a call to them. We have asked them that the strike call should be lifted as soon as possible. Having said that, they are saying there is no strike in the first place because it was supposed to start from today. Today we have met in a very cooperative and a very cordial manner. We will try to work out a solution so that there is no strike, and all the points which have been raised from whosoever side will be looked into. So we are going to get the minutes of the meeting made as soon as possible, and once it is done, I am sure that there will be some kind of a press release, some kind of a statement from the side of the Mazdoor Union that the strike has been called off. But broadly, all of us are of the view that having raised all our points, we don't have any real, points to carry forward, and for them also to raise a point in the form of a strike. So we are very hopeful. We are very hopeful that soon, by I think in the next few hours or by the end of the day, the strike will be called off. And we want to make an earnest appeal to people in our state. Do not go for panic buying. First of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number two is that we are working to find a solution. Number three, over the last 2 days, more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Kyrwoh Hills and Khasi Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
Hakani kasngi lawan banyadon lang hakajing lang daki bor penya district Kyrwoh district ki officer jong Tnad ki nong elam na kasenjok ki nong di petrol bat LPG hakajala Meghalaya na lor ki waipat ki laong bakajing kren jong ki kalalong bagi kendon an ki dei ban trai kam yaki batu panyang kumbala penpau daki bor pulit
ngi nagalang jongi ka association ke jongi ngimdon ni ai persya inoin ngilong persya ya ke tu ki batu kamar ke jonga kawangal athit napoi si talenti don batu ngadon ka hok ban komplit tinggi lek sakaan ai bakaan kan sim action kumang lep kren ka petroleum products kamtam petrol diesel kede ke bagi khot kan pring highly flammable explosive substance mla man subu kum tu sini satai mlang kum ka ancam sya katu kalau long illegal lupa sa ke jing itu kani katai tingim doni ai persya ki driver ki bolong innocent ngim doni ai persya ki Mazdoor Union ngim doni ai persya yanu bangi persya kade ya ki betu tang bay ya ki batu ya ki criminal dai ban pen si tom kat kum ka ka an kan ya ti hadian nang tu belale ka lapeni ke press release nang tu tenaga yang Mazdoor Union gi tu Shithi ki ong bakadon ka jingle bor high handedness kin prank ki ong atrocities ka jingle put ni torture jong ke police tengi lai kan ta ni darakum kita kadon nak yang jungi ke association rok ngi condemn ye kata but I can let ka nobody is above the law kin prank ong mdon bol holo jong ka I can let ka ti hadian ni lai kren bah lai suk man tarai baik te katu kat ni nak yang jong ke Mazdoor Union ki ong ba ki don ke ki bangi hap nya pen baik hendak ka bede bat ngi ki try bat ki oil companies kum ka tulop ya ki nong tray jongi nang ta ka bangi jule ke insurance nomor banyak kali kit upniang golong high risk maka tu kali mo ipi explosive products highly flammable products golong high risk teng kadu stelenti ka kali ki hapan sna simit baka tu kali kanu miang henti baka ni ban poi ba ci kapong kum tar te ki don ki incentive ki bana kalyang jongi ru ngila ong yaki ya kaling incentive na kalyang jongi ki try petrol pump rangkat kani ka union bat ki transporter ki driver incentive bat ki ai ga bangila ban le na kalyang jongi ngi 100% cooperation ngi trai rengkat nama ki gide gi trai bat ngi imjan na ki imjan ngi dei bendon ke singi trai lang tinggal ipun baik mentah tena kalian ka mas dur union kilo ong ba ko mentah ka singi hi berkhot kin poi goti kin call ka meeting ba kin call off no ya kan ka strike bahkan dum don show te ko pniang kan poi hi saki jaka jungi kumjo ro ya ka gas tena kalian jungi ka association ngi sultanan ya kan ka meeting bla penlong